Some equipment that we can use when we're studying the different properties of light. So here we have a ray box, and this ray box attaches to our power pack here, and remember we always use DC power, so we want a direct current for this. So I'm just going to plug it in there. Okay, and if I turn the ray box on, you can see in the middle there that there is a globe. Okay, so in here we've got a globe that will light up when we turn it on. Here we have some mirrors on either side, but these mirrors also close up so that we can block the light coming out there. On the very end here we have a space which allows us to put what we call a slit card in. So this is what a slit card looks like. You can see that at one end it's got 3 little slits there, and on the other it has 1. And so we can decide whether we want to have 3 rays of light coming out or just 1. And so if we turn it on there, we can see there that that slit card is letting us have 1 beam of light, or if we swap around, the 3 beams of light there. Okay, now we don't need to have our power pack up fully for this. At the moment I've only got it on 8 volts. We don't need to go any higher than that. Usually when we're looking at the properties of light, we also like to blacken out our room. So we just like to turn the lights out, and we'll be able to see where the light is going and how it's behaving a little bit more clearly.